One of the fun things about being a human is how each one of us are different, and that's exactly what this project celebrates. Take a look at these funny cone kids. Each one has their own features, different color hair, different color bodies, and we're gonna make them right now. Let's see what we need to make them. You'll need some yarn in different colors, some chenille stems, cones, some thick glue, acrylic paint, a foam block, some wiggle eyes, some little brads, toothpicks, a ruler, paintbrush, scissors, and you'll want to protect your surface. So the first thing we're going to do is paint our cone shape. And I'm just using some good old acrylic paint, but you will want to wear some protective clothes. Also, if you're making these with a group, you can check out the website to get some ideas for prep. I'm going to take you through the step-by-step process though. So I'm just using a large brush and I'm going to base coat the cone shape. And you can kind of dot the paint into the cracks and crevices. A stiff bristle brush works really well, but you want to coat the whole body and give this piece at least a day to dry. And it takes more paint than you would think to paint this foam. It soaks it up pretty good, so you might want to make sure that you have a few bottles on hand. And then I'm going to show you a slick trick for a drying rack. But you would let this side dry, do all of them, and then flip it around and do the other half. So let's grab that little foam block, a toothpick, and then just set it on side. And foam blocks come in huge sizes, so you could do a whole army of these. So now let's start adding some facial features. The first thing I'm going to do is use the brad to create a nose. And you want to make sure that you leave room for your mouth. So I'm going to start up here, like so. And then we're going to use some thick glue to attach the eyes. And you can pre-do this step ahead too, so that all the eyes are secure, like so. This is another time where you can use the toothpick trick and have it set that way while it dries. Or put it up against something. Now we get into where it's really fun. We're gonna add some body parts, some hair. So the first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and put the mouth on. And I've gone ahead and cut this piece to length. You can get all the instructions for this on the website, but you can see I've made a 90-degree bend at the end of the smile, and that's gonna stick right in below the nose. So we'll get one side put in, turn it around, and push that other side in. I love how that just hugs right up against the foam shape. Now, let's add some hair. So also, this is a great prep step if you're doing these with kids. Pre-cut your hair pieces, and then what I like to do is just take all 3 strands. These are about 3 to 4 inches. Of course, you could make them longer if you want long hair. Give them a haircut. But just make a little knot right in the center and pull it so it's really tight, and that gives you kind of a spot for the glue to really grab onto. So use a toothpick at the top of your cone kid and really wiggle that around a little bit so that you get a nice huge spot to put some glue into. Easy peasy. And then set your knot part on top and use the end of a toothpick or the end of a skewer to push the knot down in the top of the cone. And now he has some funny hair. All right, so now let's add some legs and some arms. These are fun because you can, bend the chenille stems however you like. So go ahead and poke in a toothpick on the first side, put a little glue in there. And put the chenille stem down. That's kind of funny because you can bend, make some hands, make them waving. They can hold things this way, but it's fun. You can have them hang from things and then do the other side. This one's gonna flex its muscles. Make another hook at the end for his hand. And a little bit of glue. Okay. Add this arm in, and now let's add a leg. put a little bit of glue. And now you can bend the legs. Let's take a look at the finished ones, because you can see some of them have zigzag legs, some of them are sitting on things. Super cute. Each one's unique. I love it.